Another great resource is the citizen science program iNaturalist. This free app, accessible on your phone or on a web browser, allows you to take photographs of things in the world around you and upload them to a scientific database. Run by the California Academy of Sciences, this database of observations encompasses plants and animals taken photos from all around the world. Let's make an observation right now of this tree. When you open the iNaturalist app, the first thing you're going to do is open the camera and take a photo. That's a nice photo of that leaf. Now we're going to make sure that the date and the time are input correctly, that you made the observation, as well as the location. Where were you when you saw this cool thing? Finally, we want to identify the species, and it's okay if you don't know what you're looking at, because iNaturalist usually has a good guess based on its algorithm. It will then upload your observation to the larger database. Congratulations! You've just made your first observation. iNaturalist is one of many citizen science projects that you can participate in. Visit the VIN's website to learn more about some of these projects.